Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to enable location permissions on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the X website by typing its URL into the address bar. Once the page loads, look towards the top of your browser window, specifically next to the web address. You'll see an icon that resembles a padlock or a shield. This is called the View Site Information icon. Click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear, showing various site details and options. From this menu, select Site Settings. This will open a new tab or window in your browser, taking you to a page where you can manage permissions for the X website. Now, locate the Location setting within the Permission section. You might need to scroll down slightly to find it. Once you see Location, click on the drop-down menu next to it. Here you'll have several options: Allow, Block, or Ask. To enable asking for location permissions, select Ask. This ensures that X will request your permission before accessing your location data. After making this change, your settings are automatically saved. You can now close the Settings tab and return to using X as usual. The next time X needs access to your location, it will prompt you for permission, giving you full control over when and how your location is shared. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled asking for location permissions on X using your PC. Enjoy a more secure and customizable browsing experience.